Hello, everyone, and welcome to P10X. 10X your productivity. I'm Antriksh, and I'm here to discuss the wholesale changes made by Google, which they announced yesterday in their annual developers conference. I mean, they have just gone full throttle on AI. They have left no stones unturned. There is a lot for us to discuss in, and we are just getting started in the world of AI. Sundar Pichai has just come out and absolutely sort of rocked our worlds in terms of how many changes he's just given us in one conference. So like from as little as the immersive reading and user experience now Google Maps is going to get. That's the first one. From weather simulations to traffic detection, we can do that in a very immersive way. He came out and he talked about how AI is going to be everywhere in every field of our life. He went on to say that Google is now going to use AI in all of its products, be it docs, sheets, and even search. This SEO, this SEO game has changed forever. We will see what happens in the future and we will see what happens in the next coming days. But from what we could gather here at B10X, which was said that anything, any result which is powered by AI is going to be at the top. So the topmost results you're going to see, they'll be powered by AI. The following results could be somewhere a variation of AI and SEO, maybe SEO alone, maybe just AI alone. This changes SEO forever. It's going to be exciting. It's also a trembling. It's a bit trembling for people who are in the SEO industry. But we here at B10X, as we all believe, no AI will ever replace you. People using the AI would be able to replace you. So as long as we keep up with the new technology, I think we'd be good. Then Google also announced Palm 2.0, which is their brains behind Bard. And this time, it sort of felt with the coming in age of OpenAI's ChatGPT, they'd fallen a bit behind, and Bard was sort of not getting the applause, and there was some negative PR surrounding it. But now this is their new language model, and they are coming in thick and fast. And this seems to have sort of shortened the gap between OpenAI and Google here. And now there is no more waiting list. You can jump in, you can jump the gun and actually go talk to it about anything like we do on ChatGPT. Another groundbreaking thing which we just got to know was that AI would be used in Gmail as well. So with the Help Me Write tool, we can actually go to AI. We open our Gmails, and I don't know when this feature is going to be launched. I think it'll be soon enough. So like we'll for an example, if we want to get a refund for a train ticket, for example, we had to go from Delhi to Mumbai, and we sort of cancelled 2 days before, and we have sort of cancelled the ticket of our trains. So we sort of write a mail to IRCTC requesting that a refund should be initiated, which we couldn't receive till now. So we just go to the AI, we give it a prompt like we give to ChatGPT till nowadays. Could you write me an email accessing the refund, initiating the refund for my train cancellation? This number, this train, this date, and this platform. It'll write you a perfectly customized email according to your own needs. I mean, how cool is that? Like, to what lengths is actually like we as sort of here at B10X are trying to predict what the future holds, but the only thing that I can tell you right now is it's going to be exciting, and we have a lot of catching up to do in terms of upskilling ourselves and also remaining in trend by actually following these AI tools and technologies and making the most out of them. So now we also come to the magic editor. How beautiful, this tool. So now you can see this image of me right here, and I'm on your screen. So like there's not much of a background and a foreground sort of clarification here. But if we take this Iron Man here and we take it as the background, and this is the foreground. So what if you just take it as an image? So here we go. If you took it as an image there, so now Google, the magic editor, what it can do is it can isolate foreground and background items, and it can actually replace them. So you see all this gap here, you can actually put this Iron Man here, here. So it can actually isolate items and move them around the picture. So, and you can do that with my picture as well. So like if I'm here like this, I could go here, I could go here. This is what the magic editor can do. And again, this changes the whole graphic industry theme. Like magnanimously. I mean, you can just click up a picture. You think, the rule of thirds, the composition rules, the million trillion rules that are applied in digital and still photography, they could all be applied. You actually do think that, oh, this picture was better off here. So we go here and here. I mean, how cool is that? Like, we didn't really think that it could be even possible, but now we can do that. So there is no sort of declicking of photos anymore, when you can just drag and isolate items as per your own wish. As Google keeps sort of updating all of this, there is this Apple's conference which is yet to come out, and the expectations are skyrocketed. And as we know, with these big tech giants, they are always on point. They are just there, ready to pounce when the media's attention, when the world is looking at them right in the eye. They're ready to pounce. And so did Google yesterday, with Sundar Pichai coming in all guns blazing. He has given us so much in so little. It'll be so exciting to see, so enthralling to catch up, and so beautiful to use all of these Google tools which I've just discussed with you. Now, tell me in the comments, for which tool are you really excited? I think for me, that Gmail one, I can't really decide between the Gmail one and also the Magic Editor. I'm really personally excited to see how the SEO unrolls, but we rarely don't know much about it. So I don't really have something to pick a favorite from. But if I had to pick on the current circumstances, it would be somewhere between the Gmail, help me write the Gmail thing, as well as the Magic Editor. So just before I end this video, I hope you liked the content. I hope you found it informational. And please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it to your friends and family and educate them about AI. Google is going to run over us otherwise. So do that, please. And thank you so much to everyone who tuned in. Take care, stay safe, and keep upgrading yourself.